Hello everyone. Today we are going to create Python code for auto scrolling. Like for example, auto scrolling in the um, TikTok page, Facebook page. So we're going to use the Python code. First thing we need to do is we're going to use the package called Python GUI. So we already have the file name which is test.py. All we need to do is to install the said package. We can say the command is pip install Python GUI. Since I already installed this so-called package, first thing we need to do is we're going to import here above the code. So we can say here is import Python GUI. We're going to use this data and then we can also import time. Since we already have import, the next step is we're going to define a function. We can see here is diff underscore, and then after that, you can see in here we can set as time at sleep, which is the number of seconds per scroll. Then you can put in here as pi at the GUI and then scroll. Then put the value -1. This will be used for scroll down. This is scroll down. I scroll up. I go to scroll up. Since after that is we're going to define parameter in here so that we can customize or manage the per seconds of the scrolling. We can define this in here as seconds, something like that, and then we can have default value which is 3. After that, since we already have created the function, we can try catch in here and define the function how to store and then put exit. No, exit keyboard extend keyboard drop. So then program terminated, or we can also here scroll step scroll. So this will be the on code. There's a warning in here. Could not resolve the source. Can quick fix and then add this type of comment that we can so that to suppress the warning. Since after use this sequence and then put in the time slip, and now we can try to test this function. We can have to run the Python file picking in here. Since this effect uh, will be effective if we are going to there's a missing in there. Make this an infinite scroll, we can use well, and then put all this code inside, uh, and then we can run again. And now the effect is since the effect is not um, used in here, so we can switch in the page. We can stop, try to stop, and then move to the, for example, in this TikTok page. Since in here we can this I manually scroll down the page, so switching the pages. So all we need to do is to run in here first. After that, this will be scroll automatically within 3 seconds. So as you can see, it scrolls within 3 seconds, something like that. So we can also modify in here since we already have the default value of 3 seconds. We can put also like example 1, then run the project and switch again. As you can see, it moves the cars faster, scroll faster. So it's 1 second. So you can scroll very fast project. For example, 0.5 seconds. Let's say if we can this works. So it's scrolls faster. Then stop. Let's say in here 10 seconds. Something. Let's wait in here for 10 seconds if this will be work. Yes, it scrolls. I think that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learn the code in here.